President Biden's administration filed a petition for a writ before the United States Supreme Court. A writ is a request to have a case heard before the Supreme Court. This particular case is about the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals and how they are keeping the Migrant Protection Protocols in place. Now, if you remember, the Migrant Protection Protocols was actually put in by executive order by Donald Trump to make people who are applying for amnesty stay in Mexico for months and months and months in squalor before their amnesty hearing is heard. As a result of that, the idea was to make their lives as miserable as possible so that they give up and go home. In the past, you would apply for asylum, be admitted to the United States, and then go to your hearing in a month or two. Mm-hmm. Now you're living in Tent City in squalor in Mexico. Biden said he was going to end that program on day one. He did, except according to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, didn't follow the right rules to do it. He is now appealing that because he is still required to keep the Migrant Protection Protocols in place. So he's now appealing this to the Supreme Court. In the appeal argument, I'll read a little bit of it. It says the district court's extraordinary injunction compelling the executive, who is the president, to negotiate with a foreign sovereign, which is Mexico, and implement a nationwide discretionary immigration program has been in place since August and will remain in place until the Supreme Court intervenes. The Court of Appeals' unprecedented construction of Section 1225 threatens further significant disruption in other cases where parties seek to upend the government policies regarding immigration detention. Delaying review until the next term would likely postpone resolution of these critical issues until sometime in 2023. In the meantime, the government would be forced to continue negotiating with Mexico to maintain a controversial program that is already twice determined is no longer in the best interests of the United States. Our constitutional system is not supposed to work that way. That was the cover of their writ to the Supreme Court of the United States. Now, the Supreme Court needs a majority of the judges to accept the case, and they're trying to request it on an expedited basis. Unfortunately, there's 6 Republicans on the Supreme Court. So I'd be surprised if they accept it, but who knows? We'll see. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.